Hi, I'm Kenny York. I'm CEO and founder of Manna Cafe Ministries in Clarksville, Tennessee. Manna Cafe is a mobile soup kitchen where we take meals out into the community and feed those who are hungry. And we actually have now places where they can come into our location and eat as well. That's kind of what got Frontier Basements involved with. The property we picked, the original part of the building dates back to 1854, which is pre-Civil War. So getting that old of a building, one of the obstacles we had, it was still very sturdy, but it needs some shoring up. The floor joists on the main floor, for instance, if you went into the basement, you could see where they were starting to sag, where the mortar was starting to give away, that type of stuff. And so I called Lane and his organization, Frontier Basements, and had them come out and do a survey and look at the problem we had. And they came back with the changes that needed to be made. We looked at that and it's like, wow, okay, that's a lot of money. We'll have to do some fundraisers to get that money and make sure it's in place before I hire you, but definitely we want you to do the work. And then a few months went by, and Lane called one day and said, "Hey, we decided, that we're going to donate doing this project. That we've had a good year, and we feel like this is something we want to do." They came out again and figured out their work plan. It was a little bit different because we had an elevator shaft that dates back to the 1950s. So they actually had to go in and dig out by hand and put it in buckets, bring it up the elevator shaft, and put it in the trucks and haul it off. Even with all that, it was done in a couple of weeks. Traffic flow, our clients never knew that they were there hardly. Definitely cleaned up after themselves. It was a good experience. I can't say enough about them. I brag on Elaine and Judy and Frontier Basements all the time. Everybody, when we give them a tour, they hear about Frontier Basements.